Hey, guys, stop.
What's up?
Priya, stop.
Why?
Stop. Do you guys have IDs from somewhere?
We don't know.
What's your birthday?
Lavinia. 97.
Immigration's coming.
Immigration.
Yeah.
2023년 2월 25일 플로리다주 인디얼리버 카운티 보안관 사무실은 현지 월마트 보안요원으로부터 한 통의 신고 전화를 받았습니다. 감시 카메라에는 3명의 젊은 여성이 매장 안에서 물건을 가방에 넣는 모습이 찍혀 있었고 도난 혐의가 있다는 내용이었습니다. 신고를 받은 경찰은 즉시 여러 명의 경찰관을 현장에 출동시켰고 조사 결과 3사람이 실제로 계산을 하지 않았다는 사실이 확인됐습니다. 이에 경찰은 매장 밖에서 대기하다가 3 여성이 출입문을 나서는 순간을 포착해 곧바로 체포에 나섰습니다.
Hi, how are you? Hey, guys, stop.
What's up?
Priya, stop.
Why?
Stop.
For what?
Because I said so. Stop.
Why? Excuse me?
These 3?
Yep.
Okay, come this way. Stop right here.
Okay,
Come over this way, real quick.
Can you come out of the
Come over this way. You too. Yep. Come over this way.
What happened? What's happening? What happened?
Sit.
Come on, what are you doing?
Sit.
Excuse me, I don't have nothing. What happened?
Sit. Thank you. You're back.
What's the,
You're back.
can you sit on here? Are these bags? They're ours. They are.
Yeah.
And then the sunglasses are ours too. Sunglasses are
Oh my god. Yep. Sorry.
You got handcuffs?
Huh?
You guys got handcuffs?
Can we bring them to our office so we can go through everything?
Yeah, well, let me make sure they don't have any weapons.
Okay.
Excuse me. For
Stand
what?
up. You stand up. You stay seated.
I don't have nothing.
Well, I don't know that. Do I know what's in your pockets? Keep your hands.
If you guys,
Okay, sit.
Personal security.
Stand. Turn around that way.
Hi.
Turn around that way.
경찰은 3명의 여성을 수색한 뒤 월마트 매장 안에 있는 사무실로 잠시 데려가 본격적인 조사를 진행하려 했습니다.
Sit. Please. Thank you.
I'm not going with nothing. What is this? Sunglasses.
That's illegal. Now you know why you're sitting here. Stop talking.
I want to bring it.
Stop talking.
Do you guys? How old are you guys? How old are you?
25. I'm 15. I don't know what happened, man.
Do you guys have IDs from somewhere?
We don't know.
Do you have IDs?
I don't have
You
nothing.
never have IDs issued to you. You don't have any identification whatsoever. So what's your name? Where are you from?
Romania.
So you have no identification at all. Okay, what's your name?
Anita.
Spell it.
I don't spell it. Anita.
How do you spell your name?
I know
She don't know
spell.
to spell
No, she can write it for you.
She couldn't.
What's your name? Spell it.
I don't know to spell it. I don't know so much English. This is
Beautiful, this is my bag. This
What about the
is
deodorant?
only two.
We watched you put this in that bag.
What?
We saw you grab it off
This
the
is
shelf.
my for home.
We watched you grab it.
Nu știu cu deodorant. Do buzman do pentru o hapchini și am dat tuti. But the biggest compliment.
What's your last name?
My name, Anita.
Does Anita have a last name?
Anita, what?
Okay, so you're not
Ma'am,
gonna.
I'm not stealing nothing. What is this?
Okay, so you're not gonna identify yourself.
You can get 10 police and I don't know why.
What's your name?
That deodorant.
Ah,
What? Spell it.
care că prea mă
You don't know how to spell your names? Like, how do you spell it in Romania? No. Okay. What's your birthday?
Lavinia. 97.
What's your birthday?
97 February.
February what?
97.
What's your birthday?
2008.
Do you have any United States identification at all? No.
눈앞의 세 여성은 모두 루마니아 출신이었습니다. 그런데 경찰이 놀란 건 그들이 신분을 증명할 수 있는 어떤 서류도 없었고 간단한 영어만 할 줄 알았으며 자신의 이름조차 제대로 철자하지 못했다는 점이었습니다. 더 당황스러운 건 불법 체류로 의심되는 이들이 미국에 꽤 오래 머문 듯한데도 도둑질 혐의에 전혀 심각함을 느끼지 않는 듯 보였고 심지어 조사 도중 웃기까지 했다는 점입니다. 이에 경찰은 즉시 이들의 신원을 확인하기 위해 현지 이민 당국에 연락했습니다.
The blue is my bag, man. Me, I don't steal nothing.
Okay. So the cameras are lying? So the cameras are lying is what you're saying?
You want to see the camera?
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I bring just three this way. I don't know what is here. 10 police, 10 cars for the police, and I don't know why. Excuse me, why you bring one the back door? Because you
Hey! Hush!
But this you can
That's
check
not
the
yours.
camera. You can check the camera. You go to the camera and I have my bag. Why
Okay.
she bring the new? Because it's mine. It's not check
Okay.
the camera, please. I don't think nothing for
She
this
said
store.
just this.
Hey! Sit down!
Yes.
And shut up, please.
Okay, shut up.
You don't need to
Okay.
talk.
I am criminal. I'm stealing three
No, you
things.
stay seated.
Okay.
I don't have any money with me. I have just my bag. And
Well, that makes sense why you
would.
would steal, because you have no
I'm
money.
not stealing, but I want to go in the car.
You
My
see
brother
the
should
camera
go
next
with
to
here
something?
with the money. I don't have nothing. I'm thinking I have my
Okay.
money
So you're saying
here.
you came in with these bags?
This is my bag.
What time did you come in the store?
Me?
I don't know why you look the camera. Why you
What-
don't
which
look the
entrance did you
camera?
come in?
Why you look here? You are here. You are here. Why you not look your job? This is your job. Tell
Okay,
the
so what about
people.
sunglasses?
Okay, the trap.
That's
What about the
sunglasses and
sunglasses?
What?
What about the sunglasses? Are the sunglasses yours too?
What?
Are the
Wait,
sunglasses
no,
yours
this
too?
is yours. ¿Habla español? Emo, ¿habla español, Hasimi? ¿Habla español?
Huh?
¿Habla español?
No.
Sí, hablas. Tú eres mexicano.
Mexican?
Sí.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. That's something I didn't know.
No habla.
I just said no.
I'm
I don't know
joking
Romanians spoke
with this insecurity.
루마니아어와 스페인어는 모두 라틴계 언어인 로망서에 속하기 때문에 루마니아인들이 스페인어를 더 쉽게 익히는 경우가 많습니다. 하지만 지금 이 순간 경찰은 그런 언어 이야기로 농담할 기분이 아니었습니다. 지금까지 상황을 보면 이 세 여성은 체포된 것에 대해 전혀 신경 쓰지 않는 듯했고 표정도 여유로워 보였습니다. 사실 이번이 처음이 아니기 때문입니다. 그들은 이미 절도 혐의로 여러 번 체포된 적이 있었고 이런 상황에 익숙해져 있었던 겁니다.
They just confirmed that they hit Auburndale as well.
Where?
Auburndale, Florida.
I can see you.
Sticky fingers. You guys have sticky fingers.
I pay this. I want to pay.
It's too late. You should have paid the first time.
I want to pay this.
It's too late.
Why?
Because you already answered the store.
Okay, okay, I'm stealing this.
That's why you
Okay,
did it.
you call 10 police. Thank God the police for this
Hey,
street.
shut up. Again. For the second time.
¿Qué más?
Cállate.
Okay.
Por favor.
¿Por qué no le dice nada?
No hablas
Sabe
español.
español y no
Anita.
hablas. Yes.
Stop talking.
Okay.
Per the Border Patrol, known to conduct multiple thefts throughout the state of Florida.
What?
Wow.
Here, bitch.
Got the big fish today.
Stupid nation.
I know. You can't repeat. I know how to repeat.
Might have warrants.
Nice. Go into the clinker.
What?
Go into the clinker, the big house.
What?
How long have you been in the United States?
What?
How long have you been in this country?
Like 3 years.
3 years?
2.
2 years?
Like, no.
Stand up. Stand up. Turn around. Turn around.
결국 경찰은 이 세 여성이 단순히 절도를 저질렀을 뿐만 아니라 그중 한 명은 지명 수배자라는 사실도 확인했습니다. 들은 한두 번이 아니라 이미 여러 차례 같은 범죄를 저질러온 것으로 드러났습니다. 이후 세 사람은 수갑이 채워진 채 경찰서로 이송됐습니다. 하지만 이런 상황에서도 그들은 전혀 심각하게 받아들이지 않는 모습이었고 반성하는 기색조차 보이지 않았습니다. 특히 가장 어린 소녀는 자신이 한 행동이 법을 어긴 범죄라는 사실조차 제대로 인식하지 못하는 듯 보였습니다.
When who we going now in the jail?
To the jail.
Oh, for sunglasses.
What's that?
For sunglasses, we are going in the jail.
Yeah. It's crazy, right?
Yes, it's very crazy. So how long I staying in the jail?
How long?
Yes, how long?
Oh, I have no idea. I
How
can't
you
come.
have
I can't.
no idea? You are a sheriff.
I
You are
can't-
bring me to jail.
Huh?
You are a sheriff. You need to know.
I need to know
Yes, you need to know. You bring me to the jail.
until you bond out. You're there until you bond out.
My bond.
Yeah.
I'm 15. You
still-
can put bond on me.
Yeah, I can.
No,
Yeah, you can.
I don't think so.
Okay. You're saying because you're a juvenile, you don't get a bond. Well, you still get a bond. You're being arrested for a criminal charge.
For what? For a criminal charge?
Yeah, criminal charge.
What is this criminal? What I'm
Theft.
doing? I don't kill nobody for criminal.
I know, but you're still
Yes, that's
Theft is
no
a
criminal thing.
theft is a crime.
No, it's not a criminal thing.
Yeah,
It's a crime. What?
it's a crime. Theft. When you take
Because I'm
somebody
stealing
else's
sunglasses, it's still crime.
when you take somebody else's possessions without their permission, it is a crime.
Oh, I don't think so. For sunglasses, that's not a crime.
Okay.
세 소녀 모두 불법 체류자라는 사실이 밝혀지자 이민구까지 조사에 나서게 됐습니다. 그러자 아까까지만 해도 가장 신나게 웃고 있던 소녀도 이 소식을 듣고는 단번에 웃음기가 싹 사라졌습니다.
We have to wait and see. Immigration's coming.
Immigration.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, apparently you guys committed a crime somewhere else.
Excuse me?
Did you guys steal somewhere else?
Immigration. What?
I don't know. I'm just hearing what I heard. All of you.
Immigration. Really?
Yeah.
But why immigration?
Why?
Yes.
I don't know. From what I'm hearing, did you steal from another store?
No.
No? Your friend did.
Yes.
Yeah, she did.
But why immigration? I'm not understanding.
Well, that's why. Because you committed a crime.
결국 이 세 여성은 절도 혐의로 검찰에 정식 기소됐습니다. 더 심각한 건 조사 과정에서 그녀들이 이미 여러 차례 절도를 저지른 전과가 있다는 사실이 밝혀졌습니다. 이후 이민국이 개입해 신원을 확인한 결과 세 사람 모두 불법 체류자이며 합법적인 거주 자격이 없다는 사실도 드러났습니다. 이에 따라 이들은 형을 살거나 벌금을 낸 뒤 본국으로 추방될 예정입니다. 미국에는 일부 준하 도시에서 피난처 도시 정책을 시행하고 있습니다. 이런 곳에선 경미한 범죄, 예를 들어 소액 절도 같은 경우 이민국이 개입하지 않는 경우가 많아 불법 체류자라고 해도 풀려나는 경우가 종종 있습니다. 하지만 텍사스나 플로리다처럼 피난처 도시 정책을 시행하지 않는 지역은 상황이 완전히 다릅니다. 이런 곳에서 경찰이 용의자의 불법 체류 사실을 확인하면 범죄의 경중에 상관없이 이민국에 신고하게 됩니다. 형기를 마치거나 벌금을 낸 뒤에도 바로 석방되지 않고 이민국 수용소로 이송되어 추방될 때까지 대기하게 되는 겁니다.